everyone, and welcome to another 1,000 Ways tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create custom shapes with the pen tool here in Indesign. In a previous video, I showed you how to create a custom shape using the ellipse tool, as well as convert an image into a built-in shape here in Indesign using Pathfinder. Be sure to check those videos out. The links are in the description below. Now for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this curved frame here. Now I have a document already set up, so I'm just going to click and grab that. And if you wish to know my document settings, simply refer to the description below. Also, if you do not have a document set up yet, simply go to File, New, and select Document, or use the keyboard shortcut of Control or Command N and input your settings. Now, I have a guide already set up here. Be sure that your rulers are visible within your document. If not, simply go to View and select Show Rulers. As you can see here on my screen, it says Hide Rulers since mine are already activated. Or you can simply press the keyboard shortcut of Command R or Control R. Now, I'm going to grab my pen tool by clicking the icon here in my toolbar, or you can simply press the letter P. And I'm going to bring my cursor down to where my guide and edge meet here, and click to create my first anchor point. Once that's done, I'm going to bring my cursor up to the left edge of my document and hold down my Shift key and click. This way I know that my line is completely straight, and I'm just going to repeat this step 2 more times. And now we have our page bordered. Now this area going along my guide here, I want to be curvy. So I'm going to bring my cursor here, click, hold my button, and drag my mouse down. I like this curve, so I'll just release my button, and there you have a nice even curve here. Now I'll bring my anchor point over to this area and click again. And automatically we have a curve made due to this area here. Now, last but not least, I want to close up my path by going to my first anchor point, clicking and dragging my cursor up to create another curve. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to click OK. Now, if your curves are not perfect, you can always fix them by using your direct selection tool, clicking anchor points, dragging these areas to fix everything up. But here I think we did pretty good, so I'm going to now insert an image within this path. So I'll simply go to File and click Place, or use the keyboard shortcut of Command D or Control D. Now I'm going to grab my image I want and simply click Open. As you can see, my image does not go the full width of the page. So to fix that, I'll simply select my direct selection tool, or you can press the letter A on your keyboard, click on my image here, go to the corner and hold down Shift and drag. This way I can resize my image without distorting it. And now, as you can see, my image is the full width of the page. Now I can simply drag this up if it's not in the position I want. I'm happy where it is right now, so I'm going to grab my selection tool, which is this black cursor here, or you can press the letter V on your keyboard. I'm just going to click an empty space so that I can deselect this image. And now I just simply want to duplicate this frame because I want to put it at the bottom of my page. So I'll click my frame here, hold down my Alt or Option key, click, hold down Shift so my frame does not move out of the page area, and then release my buttons, and now we have our duplicate. Now I'm simply going to go down the page here Get my frame once again, hold down Shift, and simply bring it down to the bottom of the page. Now you see we have this curved area facing down. We don't want that. So to fix that, we'll simply go up to Object, Transform, and click Flip Vertical. And now as you can see, our curve is faced up. But the problem here, our image is now upside down. So we want to correct that. I'll simply do so by grabbing my direct selection tool once again, selecting my image, grabbing my rotation tool here, or simply pressing the letter R on your keyboard, and be sure within your control panel that this box in the center is selected, so that now when you rotate your image, it rotates from the center. And now your image is faced on the right side. So I'll simply grab my direct selection tool again and drag my image to where I wish it to be. I think that's pretty colorful here, so I'm happy with that. So let's zoom out to see exactly what we have here. As you can see, we have nice curved frames on our page. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.